I'm like the cutest little bird. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this Thursdays and Sundays most of the time when life allows. Update, my finger is numb, no feeling, but we look relatively normal, which is really good considering where we came from. Anyway, we're gonna do an opening today of my Boxycharm for the month of December 2021. We're gonna be in 2022 like soon. Oh, anywho, and my Boxy pop-up items that also came to me, we'll be going through those as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Boxycharm, as I look for my cutter, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription, I would say. Yeah, more beauty, not lifestyle or home or anything like that. It's pretty much all beauty. And I think it's like 30 some a month. They just raised their prices. Everybody's raising their prices. Welcome to America. We're doing it. Yeah, so let's take a look and see what we have in here. And as usual, beautiful black box. The inside says Hello Charmer, and the inside of our box, which is okay. Let's take a look. Comes with this cute little card that tells you all of the items that you received, a little bit about them and their prices. And the theme for this month is Boxycharm Gift of Glam. Cute. Oh, let's see what we got here. The first item we have is from the ALGENIST. It's a triple algae eye renewal balm for $68. And I'm gonna assume you're it because you say ALGENIST on you. You're so little. And how much are you? $68? But you're so little. But you're so little. Okay. $68. I mean, it is only for your eyes. So that's pretty good, I guess, if it's just for your eyes. Still though, $68. You won't catch me buying that. No. $68. It's a brand new brand to Boxy. So that's cute though. Moving on. The next item is from Studio Makeup. It's a hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum for $45. You? Oh, we're heavy. Studio Makeup hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum. Cute box though. I like you. Very simple, plain, to the point. That's what I like. Oh, we are aesthetically, look at this. Yeah, that's nice. You're definitely coming in my bathroom. Oh, wow. How much were you? $45? I am the impressed. Okay. I don't think I might have tried something from Studio Makeup. They sound very familiar to Boxy, but I'm not 100% sure. Huh. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna be using you. Yeah, that's for sure. Next, we have something from Dido Cosmetics. It's the limited edition Venus 12 shade palette for $30. That's gotta be you. Hi. That's kind of cute. I like that. Huh. Venus. So do you have other planet palettes? Do you open? Can I see? No? Yes? Maybe. I'm just going to keep this little cloud thing close to me because we're opening boxes. Ooh, opened. Wow. Hold on. First of all, we do have a mirror. Well, look at this. Look at, wow. It's the gang's all here. We're all here. Everybody, the whole gang's here. We have, well, and then some. We have Venus, Moon, Jupiter, Io, Earth, Mercury, Deimos, Callisto, Phobos, Mars, Europa, and Ganymede. Well then. Huh. Some of the, like, and it doesn't seem like anything came out here, but like some of the shadows seem like they've been like chipped or touched at her. This one for sure, this one as well. A little bit around this one. Still pretty though, don't get me wrong. That's cute. I like that. I like the idea too. Like, not only are the colors pretty, but I like how the palette is laid out. That's cute. How much were you? 30 bucks. $30 hairs. That's cute. This next item is from ARACELI Beauty. It's a Bella Sponge Duo for $24. Okay. I don't think I've tried their sponges before. I've tried their, I think it's like liners, and they're great. But I'll try these. Cool. $24. Cool. Can you hide my bangs? Thank you. And then last, we have from SERAPHINE Botanicals, the Luna Liner. Water resistant liquid liner for $18. I don't know how I feel about that. I like this brand. I don't know how I feel about water resistant. Ooh. We're like quadruple packaged, but okay. I mean, it's water resistant. It's not like waterproof. So I can get into that. What were you, $18? Yeah, we can try that. That's cute. Huh. And that's everything from my BoxyCharm box for December 2021. Did you guys get the same stuff in your box? Same, different? Actually, hold up. We're not done yet. I still have my Boxy pop-up that I ended up purchasing quite a bit from. Not a whole lot. Quite a bit though. I picked this cutie up from ColourPop or by ColourPop. It's their cute little Bambi eyeshadows. I figure I could give it a try. If I don't like it, my niece has had her eye on this, so I'm just gonna give it to her. She's gonna like it, trust me. I've been wanting to try this, and I think, do I have an invoice in here anywhere? Anybody? Invoice? No, we did not. I picked this up as well. It's from Tarte. It's the Maracuja Miracle Mist. It's a setting spray, but it's the, like, what do you call it? Continuous setting spray. I want to try it. I have my Morphe here that I use all the time. And now that I put you two side by side, you guys look almost identical. Huh. Okay. Well, I want to try this and see how this goes. So we're going to do that for sure. Next. Ooh. What else is in here? Oh, so I got these in my BoxyCharm. Okay, I got this in my BoxyCharm once upon a time. Did not like the smell. Fell in love with how it made my face feel. Everything just fell. It's fine. Turns out this from like Macy's is like 70 some bucks. And I was like, I'm not buying that. No. And I've been trying using other creams and lotions and whatever, night serums. And it's okay. But this stuff, and this was $5. It's Libido, inspired by nature, age away hydrating cream. I don't know what the hell age away is supposed to do for me, but I bought two because I think they were like $5 or $10 a piece, and I couldn't pass that up because I love these. I loved the formula so much. It was just great. So I picked those up. And so one of these is for me because oh, it smells good. One of these is for me because I really love these. They're so handy in the shower. I don't have to use like the bottle of soap anymore, or a bottle of soap anymore. Yeah, I don't. I just use this. It's so easy, and the convenience is amazing. Also, I can get it in my Boxycharm, and I think FabFitFun. I don't know about any other subscription boxes, but I can get them pretty much anywhere. And instead of paying the regular retail price, I can get them for like $7, $5, sometimes $3 if I buy like multiples. So I bought me this, and I bought him this because I love mine. So I want to see if he's gonna like it too. And he's been struggling to try and find like some soap, and I don't know. I think he wants to be cool like me. So I figured, why not? It's nice and the holidays are here, and that's a good excuse. Okay. And then these two. Oh, you're tiny. I thought it would be bigger. That's okay, I guess. It's from Symbiosis London, BV plus B3, B Venom plus Niacinamide Delight Radiance Restoring Facial Serum. If that's not a mouthful. Yeah, cute. And this one, it's an antioxidant spray toner because, as I've mentioned, well, yeah. It's a spray tonique. The spray toner. Yeah. Antioxidant spray toner with green and white tea extract. Okay. Protects against free radicals, leaves skin revitalized, and improves skins. Oh, it's from Dr. Brandt too. Just a heads up. But I like the spray toners. They're my best friend. I like them a lot. But I figured, why not give it a try? It's all like super discounted, so I could not say no. It's fine. We'll figure it out. It'll be alright. Anyway, this is everything for my BoxyCharm box for the month of December 2021. Everything that I got in the little boxy pop-up. I forget what it's called now. It has a new name. Everything's changing. Everything's new. We're all different. That's fine. I'll try and keep up. That's everything in my box. Everything that I ended up picking up as well. Let me know what was in your box. If you ended up picking anything up from the sale. If you saw anything that was neat. You kind of wanted to. I mean, I really like my Boxycharm box. It's helped me discover quite a few different brands. Even if I was like super skeptical at first, here I am months, years later repurchasing because I was introduced to these brands through Boxycharm and I really do like them. Yeah, it's a thing. It happens. Anyway, I'll catch you next time. Bye!